Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's Mark here from North Oz Photography. Guys, I have a major issue at the moment. I'm trying to install my Brass Monkey fridge. Problem is as you can see, there's absolutely no way to secure the strap that I have there to the fridge. One of the major issues that this fridge has is it doesn't have any mounting points anywhere to be able to tie the fridge down. I was in a little bit of a rush and I figured, well, what's something really quick that I could do that just gives me some sort of anchor point that will just stop that strap from slipping down. My attention went straight to the handle, as I know that there is plastic on both sides of that handle, meaning that the plastic doesn't go from the outside of the fridge straight to the inside of the fridge. I went through a few different scenarios in my head and thought, oh, well, maybe I could use some sort of D-loop and, do a double bolt system on that. But then I just figured, you know what? Let's just make it nice and simple. I'll just put an easy bolt going through, just make one hole in that handle, and that'll just stop that strap from slipping down. To test out my new little anchoring system, I took it on a little trip to Cape Tribulation yesterday, a bit of a day trip, lots of turns, corners, not too much in terms of being bumpy and that, but it was probably enough to figure out if it's going to come free or not. I'm happy to say that anchor point actually worked really well, just kept the fridge tied down pretty nicely. The elastic straps probably aren't great because they do allow for a bit of movement, so I'll probably switch to something else. Maybe just one of those tie down straps would probably be a little bit better as opposed to the elastic ones, so just more like kind of like a rope style situation. But for now, they actually worked really well in the end. Yeah, sure, the fridge moved around a little bit, but it ended up staying where it should have. It didn't go flying around the cabin, which is always not a good thing. So yeah, I would say that, yeah, this was a success. I just used one little bolt just on the handles, and that was enough to keep that strap from slipping down, and it's pulling that fridge down onto that fridge slide. This was a super quick video, guys, but if you liked it, make sure you click that little like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video next week.